Aja, let's make the laddus I've been talking about all this time. A lot of you have been asking about the recipe of the laddu that I've been eating throughout the challenge. And of course, I'm sharing it with you. But before that, aaj da kota pura kar liye. It was in the fridge, so don't mind. My lips too. It feels so weird eating in front of the camera. और मैं फिनिश करके टू बी ऑनेस्ट कोई बहुत ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड रेसिपी नहीं है. इट्स वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड बट थोड़ी मेहनत करनी पैंदी है. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि यू टेक योर मॉम्स हेल्प बिकॉज कल्याण तो नहीं होना इन्ना कुछ. ऑल्दो मैं 2 बारी खुद ही बना हटी बिकॉज
दोनों बारी मम्मा करे नहीं सी हुंदे सो आई हैड टू मेक इट ऑल बाय माय सेल्फ. इसलिए मेनू टाइम थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगदा सी एंड प्लस आई वाज शूटिंग ऑल दिस.
सब तो पहला ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਘਰੇ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਕੱਚ ਦੇ ਬੋਲਸ ਨੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਕੱਢ ਲਓ ਬਿਕॉज ਆਪਾਂ ਐਸਥੈਟਿਕਲੀ ਬਣਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ. ਸੋ ਲੈਟਸ ਗੈਟ ਇਨਟੂ ਦਿਸ. Hello, I'm Jodh and let's get into the ingredients. Half a cup of almonds, they are rich in biotin, vitamin E, protein and magnesium. Then half a cup of pumpkin seeds, rich in zinc, omega-6, magnesium and iron. 10 to 12 dates acts as natural sugar, rich in iron, potassium and fiber. 1/4 cup of white sesame seeds to add calcium, protein and healthy fats. 1/4 cup of flaxseeds, it's rich in omega-3, lignans, proteins and fiber. 1/4 cup of black raisins provides antioxidants and hydration promoting compounds. 1/4 cup of shredded coconuts, it's rich in medium chain triglycerides and iron. 2 teaspoons of amla powder rich in vitamin C and antioxidant. It boosts natural collagen. And a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds rich in proteins, phytoestrogens, well known for reducing hair fall. And if you're allergic to any of these ingredients, please refrain from using them at all. I'm using Vinod Intelligent Cookware to roast all of these ingredients one by one. Now it's important to roast them separately because the smaller seeds, they might get burned easily. And flax seeds no ਆਪਾਂ roast नहीं करना to retain the natural omega-3s. You can see the pumpkin seeds pop when they're ready.
So for coconut, the pan is already hot and I do not have any flame on. See, कोई flame on नहीं है क्योंकि pan already काफी गर्म है और ये बहुत जल्दी जल जाता है. So just गर्म pan ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਥੋੜੀ ਜਿਹੀ toss ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. It will turn golden in no time.
And then comes the scary part. हर एक चीज़ ਨੂੰ blender ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ blend ਕਰ ਲੈਣਾ. Well, I am usually scared of the blender. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬੜਾ ਡਰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਤੋਂ. Dates ਨੂੰ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ wash ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ seeds ਨਿਕਾਲ ਕੇ we blend it with the black raisins along with a little bit of water to make it into a paste type of consistency. Well, I tried to shoot it as raw as possible, so this is the kind of paste you'll get after blending it. And then comes this messy part. हाथ वगैरह चंगी तरह धो के सारे ornaments निकाल के we get into the mixing. सारे dry ingredients चंगी तरह mix करके we will add the paste which we made using dates and raisins and ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ dry mixer ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ mix ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ and it will start to take shape and become kind of like a dough. You can easily mold it in your small ladoos. This will make me about 10 to 15 of these. It's more than enough and they're easy to store this way. ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਘੱਟੋ ਘੱਟ 10-15 ਐਟਲੀਸਟ 15 ਸੀ. ਮੈਂ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਵੀ ਆਇਲ ਯੂਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ, ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਵੀ ਘਿਓ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਆਇਲ. ਇਟਸ ਜਸਟ ਜੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਨਟਸ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕੀਤੇ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨੈਚੁਰਲ ਆਇਲ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਸਭ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ. ਸੋ ਰੀਅਲੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਆਇਲ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਨੀ. ਵੈਲ ਮਜ਼ਾ ਬੜਾ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਬਟ ਡੈਫੀਨੇਟਲੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੈਸੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ. And here we go. We will store them in the glass jar for the next 15 days in the refrigerator and they are good to go until we make the next batch. And do not forget to clean the place क्योंकि बाद ਵਿੱਚ बहुत डांट पै सकती है. So अपना रिस्क नहीं लेना, साफ करके उठना सारा कुछ. Okay. If you're vegetarian, it's common to not get enough protein. And personally, अगर मेरी डाइट ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਉਹੀ homemade food ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ carbs ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ. Protein intake is very less. This is a brilliant way to add protein in your diet which you otherwise do not take. If you are experiencing hair fall or dull skin and feeling low in energy, you should definitely try this out. Okay, some of the very common questions. So the very first one is it safe to have it in summer? Well, yes, we're not taking any ghee or jaggery or any heating herbs. Plus, there are cooling ingredients too.
You might say कि ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਾਦਾਮ ਹੈ and all those nuts are like hot in potency, but
ਆਪਾਂ ਇੰਨੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਕੁਆਂਟੀਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੈ ਰਹੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਕਿ it will affect you that much. ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ cooling ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਵੀ ਨੇ, so it's gonna balance out. It's basically all protein. It's not that complicated. Number 2, what are the things you can take it with and when to take it? It's best to take it in the morning, mid-morning, or by the evening. Avoid having it late at night. ਤੁਸੀਂ pair कर सकते हो, with your milk, your lassi, or like fennel water if you like it. But avoid करना है taking it with cha or coffee or something very sweet like roux afza. Number 3 is, how is this laddu even gonna help? Well, I've already listed all the ways this can help you. If you take one laddu daily for the next 30 days, you can expect less hair fall, better digestion, more balanced energy, and smooth and clearer skin, of course. And some of my personal takes are, starting with which you might feel that it's a little bitter or earthy, but you will get used to it. Either which dates ne and raisins ne, so taste actually becomes really good. I've already made 2 batches and all this mehnat is worth it. Finally, if you're struggling with any of these things, you should definitely try it for the next 30 days. It's homemade, it's clean, it's healthy, and it definitely works. Don't forget to share it with someone who you think might need it. And I've mentioned all the ingredients in the description box and in the comments. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button so you do not miss any update. And leave me a comment in the comment section. I love reading your comments. And I'll see you soon. Bye.